So if you'd like to create a puzzle publishing empire, in this video I'm going to be going over how you can do that, sort of the big picture from start to finish, or 3 easy steps. And these can also be done for a variety of puzzle books, crosswords, pretty much any type of puzzle book. So let's go over these specific steps. So step 1 is pick your audience and topic. So do you want to do adults? Do you want to focus on a specific niche? So most likely you're going to pick your age range first. It's going to be children or adults or elderly people, and then you're going to focus on your specific topic or niche. Now you actually have to get together your content. So you might find free puzzle content, things that are in the public domain, have commercial use, Creative Commons licenses. You can take some older types of puzzle content and create your own updates on those. You can also use low-cost content or software, which I think can often be very valuable because it can seem like, oh, I have to invest in the software, but a lot of this newer software that's out there now can create puzzles in just seconds. You can also consider hiring a freelancer or working with a VA to help you with this as well. So a couple places to find free puzzle content are places like mathpuzzle.com, puzzlemaker.com, and patagonet.com. There's a lot of other places out there as well. They have a lot of, either it's free for commercial use or it might be older in the public domain and they've made it available. Once you have everything compiled, then you want to publish it, and normally most people start publishing these on Amazon's with their Kindle Direct Publishing, and this allows you to publish print books for free. So you put together, you might want to of course buy a proof and get that once you get it in there, but you can compile these and then go ahead and have them use print-on-demand technology. So people will order your book and then they'll print it out for them and send it to them. So just a quick overview of this, you would log on and then you would put in your book content, select your print options, your trim sizes, and then upload your manuscript and your cover. And then Amazon will approve it and then you're ready to go. And of course you want to look at pricing, you want to look at comparable books in your niche and see what the pricing options are. So once you get that all together, what you can simply do is rinse and repeat and then have it where it's relatively easy to get these books out there. So if you'd like to learn more about how to get started with this and being able to put together a workflow for publishing, then check out Puzzle Publishing Profits, where I dive into the puzzle niche. I show you where you can get free, low cost and software resources and tools to create these puzzles. I go over popular niches and examples. So you can get the link there below, and if you want to get started in this best-selling niche that's great for a wide variety of audiences and different people. And what's great too, I think, is that people buy these over and over again. So it's definitely something, if you're looking to make money with content or publishing, this is a great opportunity.